Welcome back to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today we've got the latest AI news. Let's get started. Perplexity's bold move. Chasing Chrome with billions first up. Perplexity, a rising AI star, is making headlines by offering to buy Google Chrome for more than its total funding. This move could disrupt the entire tech acquisition world and shift the balance in the browser wars. If Perplexity lands Chrome, we could see smarter AI-driven browsing, fresh interfaces, and new innovations in web technology. It's bold, but it's definitely exciting. Why it matters. This could change both AI and browser tech in a big way, making your browsing experience more powerful than ever. Anthropic versus OpenAI, the government showdown. Next, Anthropic is making waves by offering its chatbot, Claude, to all branches of the US government for just $1. This is a direct challenge to OpenAI's dominance, and it's all about providing safer, more transparent AI tools for the government. If this move gains traction, it could significantly impact how AI is integrated into public sectors. Why you should care. Governments adopting AI early gives you a chance to spot trends before they hit the mainstream. This could be a huge opportunity to stay ahead in the AI race. Sam Altman's new neural adventure, competing with Neuralink. Sam Altman, the mastermind behind OpenAI, is diving into the brain tech world with a startup aimed at competing with Elon Musk's Neuralink. His focus is on creating advanced brain-computer interfaces that could revolutionize how we connect minds and machines. Why it's exciting. Altman's venture could open up new possibilities in neurotechnology, bringing about breakthroughs in how we interact with AI on a deeper level. Claude AI just leveled up, longer prompts, smarter responses. Claude AI just got a major upgrade. Now, it can handle much longer prompts, making it perfect for more complex conversations and detailed requests. This means smarter, richer responses and more accurate insights when you need them most. Why this rocks. Longer prompts mean you can ask Claude bigger, more detailed questions. This is a big win for anyone looking for thorough, spot-on AI answers. ChatGPT's model picker is back, and it's a wild ride. ChatGPT's model picker is back, and it's got some new twists. Now you can choose between different ChatGPT models, each offering unique advantages. Some work faster, others provide more accurate answers, and some might cost more. It's all about finding the model that best suits your needs. Why it's cool. Choosing the right model helps you get faster, smarter, and more cost-effective AI results. It's all about making AI work for you. AI companions are on fire, $120 million in 2025. AI companion apps are on the rise, projected to bring in a massive $120 million by 2025. These AI-powered companions are offering real companionship support and entertainment, becoming a go-to for many users. Whether it's chatting, getting advice, or just having fun, these apps are changing the way we interact with tech. Why you should watch this. AI companions are reshaping how we connect with technology. This is an exciting space to keep an eye on for innovation and personal support opportunities. Google VetSpark's AI chat revolution with $8 million for Continua. A former Google veteran has just raised $8 million to launch Continua, an AI startup aimed at supercharging group chats with smart AI agents. These agents can jump into conversations, offer help with tasks, or provide information on the fly, changing the way we use messaging apps forever. Why it's game-changing. Continua's AI agents could save you tons of time and reduce the chaos in group chats, making your messaging experience more productive and efficient. Sponsored by Mammoth Club, the unfair advantage for ambitious tech pros. One subscription gives you 2,000 plus courses, cert prep, and fresh tech insights, all in one place. Learn in-demand skills like AI engineering and cloud security, certify faster with targeted prep tools, stay current with monthly new courses. For just 50 cents a day, you get everything needed to level up your tech career. Want to stay ahead in AI? Check out these top tools. Vector Institute, Toronto's premier AI research institute. Blue Dot, AI for global infectious disease intelligence. Winterlight Labs, AI to analyze speech for cognitive health. Bench Sci, AI for preclinical life science, R&D, Elucid Labs, AI medical imaging for skin cancer. Stay sharp with Mammoth Club, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for your next intel drop. See you next time.